Hey everybody, Bub with Exodus Jeeps. Today we're installing one of our house-built tie rods on this JK. I wanted to go over a few things with you. First thing, what makes ours different from everyone else? There's a couple things. First is our threads. We use a form tap, not a cutting tap, so you end up with stronger, denser threads. Second is going to be this Hardcoat mil-spec anodizing. That is going to protect those people that live up north and where they salt the roads for ice, and also those that go to the beach a lot. This is going to keep your tie rod in good shape for a long, long time. For those that aren't familiar with 7075, you're able to get a lot of deformity out of the 7075 versus a stock tie rod or a steel tie rod. So you're out there wheeling and stuff and you get hung up or hit the rocks. This is going to take a lot of deformity, okay? And then when you're done at the end of the day, when you come off the rocks, it's going to go right back where it's at. You're not have to worry about adjusting your drag link to correct your steering wheel like most of us used to have to do. So if you're interested, these are $400 for the anodized and $300 for raw. You can call us or visit our website for more information. Thanks.